back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be mixing together all my foundations. So I don't have a bunch, I only have about 6 or 7, but I'm going to mix all of them together and put it on my face. I've seen this video go around a lot right now on YouTube, and I wanted to try it out for myself because I was super curious. So sneak peek, these are the results on my face right now, but let's go ahead and get right into how I do it and mix it all together, put it on my face. Alright, so I have my mixture of foundations right here. Looking at it, the color looks really nice. The color looks like it's going to match my skin pretty well. So let's go ahead and put it on. So right off the bat, the color looks pretty good. I feel like it is a little bit more cool toned when my skin tone is more naturally warm toned. So that is a little bit concerning, but we'll see how it matches. I'm not too crazy about the smell. It does smell like chemicals. Like a really strong chemical scent. It kind of smells like spray paint. So this is how I basically apply my foundation. I just dot it all over my face first, and then I'll go in with my brush. I think I did mix too much because I have a lot left, but let's go ahead and blend this out. My neck is really awkward because I'm trying not to get this on my sweater. I just recently got this sweater and I don't want to wash it because it's one size too small, so I don't want to like shrink it in the wash. So I'm trying not to get makeup on it, but it's not working. Okay, so it might be a little bit too light for me. It's blending out pretty well though. I do like the way that it's covering, like the coverage wise, it's pretty nice even though it is like a shade lighter. Wow, the coverage is really surprising me. And I'm not a huge fan of like dewy or glowy makeup foundation wise. I don't like the dewiness or the glowy look. I like my foundations to be completely matte. And that's something that I'm liking from this. There is not a lot of glowy or dewiness. There is quite a bit of like a matte full coverage, and I like that. So this is pretty nice. Okay, so don't mind the ghost face. I look extremely ghostly and pale, but the foundation, the coverage is really good. The blendability was really nice. This was a really good idea. I'm so glad I did it because right now so far I really like the results. What I'm gonna do is set this with a powder because usually I would set my foundation with a powder anyways. I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. I'm gonna set this, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and come back. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes since the foundation has been on my face. I did my makeup. The makeup went on really nicely. The blush actually went on really nicely too. It feels dry to the touch. It doesn't feel too heavy or cakey on my face, which I'm surprised about because I have like 6 different kinds of foundations on my face, but it doesn't feel like it at all. And I'm going to leave this on for a few hours and then come back and give you guys the whole review of what I think and if it was worth it and if you guys should try it. So one thing is that my foundation does look too light for my skin. I feel like it is a few shades lighter than what it should be, but we're just gonna work with it and we're gonna see how it oxidizes throughout the day, and I will be back later on to give you guys a full update and full review, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night. When I filmed the process of putting the makeup on, it was around 4:30 and now it is around 9:30. So 5 hours later, my makeup looks really good. I don't see much creasing at all. I don't see a lot of oiliness, which I actually really am liking this. My pores are a little bit accentuated, which happens with most of my foundations by the end of the night anyways. My My blush is still on. It did fade away a little bit. I did rub around my mouth a little bit, so the foundation over there is gone. Overall, I'm really happy with the way the foundation looks. It did not like go into my lines or anything. It is a little bit like dewy and glowy, which I'm not a huge fan of that, but it doesn't look bad or anything. I actually am enjoying it. So I have no complaints about this. The color looks great. The foundation looks great. And I think I'm gonna start doing this. I think I'm going to mix a bunch of my foundations together in a little pot and keep it with me and just apply that sometimes because it looks really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos on my channel and subscribe for more because I do upload every single week, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.